Hello and welcome to this video on tech stock investing for modern investors. As technology continues to advance and shape our daily lives, tech stocks have become an increasingly important part of any well-rounded investment portfolio. In this video, we're going to cover the fundamentals of tech stock investing, including understanding different types of tech companies, key financial metrics to consider, and we'll also discuss strategies for researching and diversifying your tech stock portfolio, as well as assessing risk and reward. Finally, we will offer some tips for success in the tech stock investing and encourage you to start researching and adding tech stocks to your portfolio. Tech stocks can come in many forms, including software, hardware, and internet companies. Software companies produce and sell computer programs such as operating systems or business applications, while hardware companies manufacture and sell physical products like computers, smartphones, and servers. Internet companies provide online services or products such as social media platforms or e-commerce websites, etc. It's important to understand the different types of tech companies and how they operate in order to make well-informed investment decisions. In addition to understanding the types of tech companies, it's also important to consider key financial metrics when evaluating the tech stocks. Some important metrics to consider include revenue growth, profit margins, and cash flow. Revenue growth basically is a measure of companies' ability to generate more sales over time, while profit margins reflect the percentage of revenue that a company keeps as profit after paying its expenses. Cash flow is the amount of cash a company generates or uses in a given period of time. So these metrics will help you determine a company's financial health and growth potential. Now that we've covered some of the fundamentals of tech stock investing generally, we can talk about how to research potential tech stocks that you might want to invest in. So there are many sources for information in tech stocks, including analyst reports, earning calls, and industry news. And it's important to do your due diligence and gather as much information as possible before making investment decisions. So you can make a list of potential tech stocks to invest in, then narrow down your choices based on your research and investment goals, some of the key aspects that we've talked about earlier in terms of metrics as well. So once you've identified some potential tech stocks to invest in, it's important to diversify your portfolio to reduce risk. And diversification in tech stocks can be achieved through sector diversity, geographical diversity, or even risk level diversity. And sector diversity just means investing in different types of tech companies such as software, hardware, internet. Geographical diversity just refers to investing in tech companies from different regions or countries, while risk level diversity just means investing in tech stocks with different levels of risk, such as established tech giants versus smaller and up-and-coming companies. Diversification, on the other hand, can help or mitigate the impact of any one particular stock performing poorly on your overall portfolio. So as we mentioned earlier, tech stocks can be volatile, and it's important to understand the potential risks and rewards of investing in them. Tools like price-to-earning ratios and price-to-book ratios can help you to gauge the risk and reward of a tech stock. Price-to-earnings ratios measure the price of a stock relative to its earnings, with a higher ratio basically indicating a higher risk and potentially higher reward, while price-to-book ratios measure the price of a stock relative to its book value, with a lower ratio normally indicates lower risk and potentially lower reward. So it's important to consider these metrics and others when investing in tech stocks. So once you've identified your tech stock investments and assessed the risks and rewards, it's time to implement your investing strategy. You can choose a long-term or short-term approach depending on your investment goals and timeline. And it's also important to set specific investment goals and a timeline for achieving them. So you can use tools like maybe portfolio tracking software or spreadsheets to just stay organized and monitor your investments. And this can help you identify any underperforming stocks and make sort of necessary adjustments to your portfolio. There may be challenges and obstacles along the way in tech stock investing. And the tech industry basically is constantly evolving, and changes in the industry can impact stock prices. External factors like macroeconomic trends and political events can also influence tech stock prices. So it's important to stay informed about the tech industry and market trends, and in order to be able to navigate the challenges and be able to make more informed investment decisions. To increase your chances of success in tech stock investing, there are a few tips to keep in mind. First, stay informed about the tech industry and market trends, and this can help you identify potential opportunities and avoid potential pitfalls. Secondly, consider consulting with a financial advisor or professional to get expert guidance on your investment strategy. And lastly, don't forget the importance of diversification and having a long-term perspective on your tech stock investing decisions. So in conclusion, tech stocks can be a valuable addition to your modern investor's portfolio. And by understanding the fundamentals of tech stock investing, researching potential tech stocks, diversification of your portfolio, and addressing risk and reward, you can start building a strong tech stock portfolio. Do remember to stay informed, consult with a professional, and diversify for long-term success. We hope this video has provided you with some useful information on tech stock investing and has encouraged you to start researching and adding tech stocks to your investment portfolio. Thank you for watching, and if you want to watch such future videos and be informed when we post such videos, be sure to subscribe, and see you in the next video.